Hey, what's up, Dent coin holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very important for all of you because my brother, in this video I will give you something very special news and updates and price prediction and technical analysis. But please, if you want to earn money in a crypto, you will need, my friends, to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So this time, my friends, the Dent coin price will starting increasing finally after a very long time, as you can see here, my friends. So 0 plus 0.14% the price is increased. Now I am so happy, my friends, today will give me this profit because after a very long time. So everybody know this, my friends, to if a coin were fails down for a long time, so definitely, my friend, it's very bad news. But my friend, after a very long time, if a coin will starting moving upward, so that's true, my friends, too. Absolutely, my friend, everyone is going to be very happy and something very excited now. So therefore, my friend, with the coin will also, my friends, starting increasing, price will starting increasing. So that's mean, my friends, to they will make you millionaire now. But some holders are doing very huge mistake, my friend. Also every time, my friends, so they are starting selling. So therefore everything is going to be very badly fails down. Everything is going to be dying now. So kindly holder, please don't do this type of mistake, otherwise we will never, my friends, get a profit. We will never, my friends, get a chance to win something special now. So Dent coin holder, please, if you want to get a profit, if you want to earn money, my friends, now just and only subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. I hope they will make you a millionaire now. See you next time, holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel.